check the herd, drop a couple bales. They're a big animal once you get a little closer. We used to have cattle like 25 years ago, so I was pretty young when we got out of the cows, so I never really grew up with livestock or anything, just grain. About time this tractor is used for something like this rather than just running an auger. There's some of this twine. Where are they? Oh, they're all over here. What the heck? Trying to get out of the wind. Well, I hope they don't make a run for it. I left that gate open. Bale fell apart. Work with me here, people. I'm new. There you go. That'll fall off. There you go. Here they come. I'll go get some more. Oh, they're hungry. I'm gonna close this gate behind me because they're the closest that they've been to the gates yet. Usually they're in the far corner. And if they got out, I'd have zero game plan of getting them back in. That guy's got hay on his head. He's really digging in there, or she. Here's some more. Come and get it. Oh yeah, a couple customers. They're such big animals. They're gonna calve here in the next month or so. And from what I'm told is you don't really do anything. It's all hands off. Because what are you supposed to do? You want some more? I'll go get some more. I think I'll grab them one more. That should tide them over. Last one. Okay, I'm off. See you later. Good day, everybody. That guy's climbing the bale. Thought I'd clean up a couple drifts while I had the tractor out. It'll probably just drift in again. Winter's not over yet, at least here. You go south of Saskatchewan like 10 minutes and there's no snow. Guys are working on their drills. They're hitting one last blast of winter here. It's gotta be over soon. I gotta check the air pressure in my front left tire. Seems low. Could be just the weight of that bale. Thought I could carry 2 bales, but it's just too heavy. That's why I was just doing one. Starting to clear up outside, so we'll get the rest of the canola contract in here. Just 2 loads left. Just have to fill up the truck with the government juice. Okay, Dor, how frozen are you this morning? my trailers are straight. Trying to turn around in the yard here to get to the auger. Come on! I don't got chains. Got a tractor. The old one's on, I never would have crawled out of there. Loaded. We'll go look at that trailer after the second load, I promise this time. Something going on with these trailers. It's like an air leak. You can hear the air cycling through the system. There's like a bypass under here and it's air's coming right out of there. I don't know. When it gets cold it acts up. It was cold today. It's got to last one more load. Then we'll bring it inside. Thaw it out. The compressor on the truck does seem to be kicking in and out more often, which isn't ideal. Yeah, it's when it gets cold. It freezes up or what. I'm pretty much done with winter. It can warm up anytime now.
And we moved to Canada and we got mini stick. Saskatchewan, eh? I mean, you mentioned the hunting and the fishing.
This is the seed tender, convey all, 6 compartment, side draw, so no conveyor, hence the chutes. The front and back are 230 bushels, the middles are 190. So the chutes drop down here. This extension is out. So I guess the idea is, well, last year, or any other year, while filling the drill, the conveyor swings under the truck and you fill. Then with our 3 hopper tritum, our 3rd hopper's at the back, so you gotta move the truck a couple times to get unloaded. Plus it's not very forgiving, you gotta be pretty accurate with that truck. We have the rope to measure, but you're too close and you jam along the sides, or too far away you can't reach. So anyway, we thought with this, the conveyor will be out and then the truck can just pull alongside. And we're thinking we might not even have to move the truck, just the conveyor will move, and then it can hit all the compartments of the seed tender and then hit the compartments on the tank. So pull alongside, the conveyor's out, drop down here, bingo bango, fill the drill. Should hypothetically cut down on our fill times. Automatic tarp, automatic chutes, gate switches here. So yeah, this is the this is new for this spring for us. we think it'll work well for what we need it. Sight glasses, top and bottom. Then with the 6 tanks, you can have different products, different fertilizers. Have some, you know, maybe some different things going with the seed this year. It doesn't feel like spring's right around the corner, but it is. Hard one-handed. Yeah, so that's the seed tender. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it'll be good. You see quite a few of them around, both the side draw and the conveyors. So that's it. I'm sick of winter. Thanks for watching. See you later.